Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today on Discover Your Essential Oils. I am so excited to be here with you today to go over some products that we received for free from Young Living this month. And the reason why we got these for free is because Young Living has a program set up called Essential Rewards. When you are on the Essential Rewards program, Young Living gives back. The Essential Rewards program, you order every month and you receive a certain amount of points for what you ordered. And you can use those points to go on a shopping spree. So that's what I did. I went on a shopping spree this month to get a few items that we really needed. And here is my bag. Got 4 products for free. Pretty excited about that. One of the first ones that we got is called Multigreens. Now, I took some notes because I did not want to miss out on forgetting something. So I did take some notes on Multigreens, on actually a few of these products. Multigreens is a nutritious whole food formula designed to boost vitality for overall wellness. It is made with spirulina, alfalfa sprouts, barley grass, bee pollen, Pacific kelp, and pure therapeutic grade essential oils. We take this every single day. My husband and I, we have 2 in the morning with our smoothies. You're actually supposed to take these probably about an hour before you eat. So we take these in the morning and then I make up our food for us, or our breakfast, our smoothies. We love it because it is a whole food. This is a great way to get whole foods into your diet. Multigreens. So that's one of our products that we got for free. Another one that we got for free is called Femigen. Now this one is just for the ladies. Femigen is a whole food herb like wild yam, dong quai, with synergistic amino acids and select hormone balancing essential oils to supply nutritional support to the female systems. Now, Femigen acts as a natural estrogen to help balance the reproductive system in young girls, but also in women who are starting to go through the change. So Femigen is a really good one to help balance out those hormones that we all love to have balanced. And another product that we got, Super C Chewables. Now, Super C Chewables, I love it. I prefer the chewables over the capsules because they do have both. I like to have the chewables. What I do for my kids is I give them each a Super C chewable in their smoothies every single day. They don't care to chew on them. So I put them into their smoothies. And that way they get their vitamin C. For me, I just love sucking on them during the day. You can have about 3 of them a day. Now, Super C Chewables, why Young Living's vitamin C rather than going to the store to get vitamin C? Well, one of the reasons why we prefer Young Living's vitamin C is this Super C is properly balanced with rutin, biotin, bioflavonoids, and trace minerals to work synergistically, balance the electrolytes, and increase the absorption of vitamin C, which is the reason why we have chosen Young Living's vitamin C to be a part of our daily whole foods wellness. Now, the last thing that we got for free, these are all for free through the Essential Rewards program. Thieves Essential Oil. This is a must-have oil, especially this time of the year when you want to stay above the wellness line. Thieves Essential Oil is one that I put into my diffuser so that every person in my family can take advantage of inhaling the Thieves and the goodness that it does for you, helping you stay above the wellness line. Now, I do make a immunity roller blend with these and a few other essential oils that I'm going to be sharing on another video. But Thieves Essential Oil is an immune booster and one that I don't ever want to be without. Thank you for joining me today on Discover Your Essential Oils. If you have any questions or any comments, please leave some comments and questions below. Please subscribe to our channel, Discover Your Essential Oils. We are here to help you discover your essential oils, and we are actually going to be putting together a video probably tonight. I think my husband said he wants to put together one tonight called Minute Scents. So we're going to be putting together Minute Scents, where it's just going to be a 1-minute video talking about a particular oil that you will have the opportunity to say, yes, I would really like to get a sample of that oil, and we will mail you a sample. So please watch for that, or look for that. We're going to be doing that tonight. And thank you for joining me.